Hello and welcome to Planet Papas. Today we're going to Skasmui Central Shopping Centre.
And then you say, let's go!
Let's go!
Today, I think it's raining just a little bit. So we're gonna stay indoors, find other things to do, and see what happens. So what do we do on a day like this? We could do a few things. Going somewhere in the car and keeping safe. First of all, I'd like to thank Jason and Janetta for doing that wonderful introduction. Thought it was amazing, better than I could do. He even had the finger pointing as well. But we changed our mind. We're not going to Central Plaza. We're actually just going to take the drive down the strip of Chaweng Beach because it is the day before the full moon party. And I noticed there's quite a lot of people here, which is great to see. Also, I'm going to point out a few hotels so you understand where and direction is from your hotel to the main part of Chaweng Beach bars. So there's a lot more foot traffic today, which is great to see. It is only 9 p.m., but we know that it's going to be much busier tonight. But we're going to do this film and head home. We're going to have an early night tonight. Tomorrow during the day is going to be a special day. We're going to a daytime phone party, which is going to be excellent. In the evening, we're going to head to Lamai and watch women's boxing. So it's going to be a full packed day tomorrow. So that's why we got to get our good shut-eye before we have a great time tomorrow as well. So we started this drive just after the main bars of the area of Chaweng. So we just went by the Arc Bar, we went by Combo, and we went by Love. So all those places are directly in the middle of the square. So there's no need to go anywhere. You're going to have a great time just in that area. Now we're going to pursue ahead and show you the hotels that are a little off the area and they're more quieter, but still get a good buzz and a good time, even a 5-minute walk away from the center. And coming up on the left-hand side, we're going to hit a few hotels that are very big, which is Al's Resort, the massive place. I tried to post this video last night, but the electricity went off in the villas. This whole area got knocked down because of this one pole was on fire. So it actually knocked down all the villas. Nobody had electricity, and we're still waiting for it now. So today we went around the plaza, just sat there for a few hours, charged up the phones, got this video online, and here it is for you. So outside every night of Central Plaza, you're going to find a live band with that beautiful cart of selling drinks for only 99 baht. It's a great time, so you do have to stop there for at least for one drink or a coffee. And coming up on the left-hand side is the hotel called the Library. That's the one with the red pool, which is very cool. Coming up on the left-hand side is Ozo. Ozo, we stayed there before. Those are the ones with the rooms that are long, but actually renovated very nicely. And coming up on the left-hand side is also King's Garden. I think this is the one with no pool. So it's interesting and a nice place to stay. And right beside King's Garden is another place called Shaba. It's always busy and it's a weird circular shaped place. And now we're at the Buri Raza. This is an old school, beautiful hotel, 5-star, very, very cool. Then there's the KC Beach Club, which is here as well. At this point, I'd like to say it's around a 15-minute walk from here, even to Scene, all the way to the middle of Chaweng Beach, where all the party bars are.
Can't go there for a soda.
And Banana Fancy is here as well. And their beach area is called Kevin's Bar. So on your left-hand side here will be the turn to Scene, which is Avani Hotel. On the right is where you head to the stadium to watch the boxing matches. And now we're coming up to the biggest hotel in Chaweng, which is called Centura. And this place is very big, and it actually runs the strip, but it's still around 20-minute walk to the main area of Chaweng Beach bars.
I think they like the roof, but nobody would never ever make it. I think they did. There's the other place.
As well, yeah.
Well, you know what they do? Yes.
There's no way you can get up there.
Oh, yeah.
Even the roof.
Central.
They can get to the cafe.
Oh, yeah, for now. That's daytime. Though.
And next to that is a place that's smaller but very nice, which is the Chaweng Hotel. Very old school, Thai looking. Also, because I'm one day behind tonight, Planet Papa is going to do a double video. So you're going to get one now and one tonight as well. So you're going to get 2 videos for the price of 1. Isn't that great? And now we're passing Chaweng Beach Cove. We stayed there many times. Really nice place, right on the beach. Staff are there amazing. And on the rest of this ride, we're just going to enjoy the music and drive down. And that's it for today. So we'll see you tomorrow, or tonight actually. And don't forget to subscribe, like, ring that bell, and see you tonight. Take care for now.